Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to see how to change the country and address in Revolut. First we need to clarify this because there can be a lot of confusion. Changing the country is definitely a bit more complicated since we can't, there are certain countries where you can't open a Revolut account, so keep that in mind. The second thing is that, to change the country, the address, it's much easier to do it in the app. Obviously, we're going to go through everything in a simple way. Here we're going to tap where it says hop. Here. We tap this icon here, we click it and open it, okay? Okay. Here we're going to see, all our personal information. We're going to scroll down, okay? And when we're here, we're going to tap here where it says account, okay? We're going to tap here account. And what we're going to do here is select the personal details option. And here, as we can see, the country is locked. However, from here you can change it, or you can request directly from the Revolut team to change it for you. Okay, let's suppose you moved and you want to change it. And here we can freely change the address. It's something quite simple to do, and if this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.